On October 25th, the Rongyuan hard rock jacking and tunneling machine, jointly developed by Tongxing Technology, was officially rolled out at the Trenchless Equipment Industrial Park, accompanied by a grand ceremony with the presence of several leaders and distinguished guests. The Rongyuan jacking and tunneling machine has a tunneling diameter of 3.69 meters and a total length of 120 meters. It will undertake the excavation task of a 1,522-meter tunnel for the fucking Dongjiang Reservoir to the Jiangyin Industrial Zone Water Supply Project, including 1,000 meters of pipe jacking and 522 meters of shield tunneling. The geological conditions in this section are complex, requiring the equipment to pass through extremely hard rock, soft rock, and mixed soft-hard strata, which poses a severe challenge to the equipment's performance. In response to these engineering challenges, Tongxing Technology, in collaboration with partners like Shaanxi Liang, conducted specialized technical research. The equipment features a heavy-duty cutter head design for rock breaking and integrates an intelligent slurry circulation monitoring system. The pipe jacking and shield tunneling modes are each equipped with high-efficiency anti-resistance systems and high-thrust excavation systems. Additionally, the project introduced an innovative technology for the variable conversion between pipe jacking and shield tunneling modes, as well as significantly improving the equipment's adaptability in complex strata. The series of technological innovations in the Rongyuan jacking and tunneling machine will ensure the safe and efficient progress of tunnel construction, marking a significant breakthrough for Tongxing Technology in the field of high-end trenchless equipment and providing new equipment support for underground engineering construction in China.